Hello everyone. Today we will elaborate on the dire need of the hour. Say no to single-use plastic. Single-use plastic are disposable plastics, use and throw items which are used only once and are thrown away. These include items such as carry bags, food packaging, bottles, straws, containers, etc. You must be wondering, how can this affect the environment? Let us first see for how long the plastic stays with us. Go. Plastic straws 200 years, plastic bottles for 50 years, and styrofoam stays forever. We will be gone, but plastic is here to stay. As a result, this plastic garbage keeps accumulating on land, under soil, and in oceans. The animals, both domestic and stray, tend to eat it as it is thrown everywhere. A lot of plastic is dumped into oceans. Just like land animals, aquatic animals and birds too find it attractive and consume it, thinking it is food. Thus, plastic enters our food chain. This plastic is like a death sentence to these innocent birds and animals. That is not all. These plastic-filled animals can land up on our plates as well. Did you know an average human is known to eat a credit card worth of plastic every week without even realizing it? So as you can see, this plastic enters and suffocates animals, both of land and water, and even enters our own body through them. Now you must be wondering, what should I do to help the environment? Well, many small little changes can be made which can do wonders. First and foremost, we need to do away with disposable carry bags. Make the switch. Go for the cloth or jute bags. Reusable bottles can be recycled or refilled, but the single-use ones, after just one use, get dumped into landfills or oceans. So look inside carefully. In a single-use bottle, we actually see death and destruction, whereas the reusable ones will show sustainability. Well, it is not so difficult to choose metal bottles over plastics, life over death. Similarly, use reusable cups and containers, metal straws, and do away with their plastic counterparts. Replace your daily use plastic items with sustainable ones, for example, a wooden toothbrush in place of a plastic one. Segregate your waste. Send it for recycling. This is the least we can do. Then we need to get rid of this excessive unnecessary packaging, which is a terrible waste. Just rethink over your actions. Do we actually need it? Now a simple thing that we use so often. The glitter to make our work and our projects awesome. Do you know thin glitter is made of plastic? I suggest the beauty of nature is far more important than a fake glitter on our sheets. So you can see, these small changes, otherwise unnoticed, are within our power and reach. In short, remember the 5 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, repurpose, and refuse. These small steps can prevent World War III. No, not between countries, but between plastic and mankind. So, say no to single-use plastic. Thank you.